Alright, good morning, welcome to my channel today, okay? Guys, can you tell me about this one, guys, okay? Merong kumikinang, ayan, ayan guys, oh. This portion here, pang may laman sa loob na kumikinang, guys, okay? Ano kaya yan, guys? Okay? Oh. Hindi ko pa masyadong lininis to, guys. I don't ever clean this, guys. Basta I am wondering why there is sparkling there inside the stone. Is this what we call platinum, or what kind of element is this? Yeah. Yeah. Here. Here also. What kind of stone is this, guys? Eh? Focus natin, guys. Okay, let's focus. Zoom natin. Okay. What kind of element is this? Okay, you can see the one, guys, oh, sparkling there inside this stone, guys. And I am wondering what kind of stone is this. Okay, can you help me identify this, guys? Here at the back, guys, we also have here. Yeah. Here. Ayan, guys, oh, makita natin, guys, oh. Kumikinang talaga sa loob ng bato. That's sparkling stone, guys, okay? What can you say about this stone? Okay. Here. Okay. Here. Oh. Okay. Don't forget to follow and subscribe, guys. Please, if possible, you share this video, guys. Okay, thank you very much.